Ever wondered how a billion-dollar missile shield could get outsmarted by rebels using missiles built in a workshop half a world away? Let me break down what just happened in Israel and why it should make any military planner sweat. So, here's the headline. On March 28, 2026, Yemen's Houthi rebels fired off a barrage of Iranian-built ballistic and semi-hypersonic missiles at Israel. Their biggest trick? Something called the skip trajectory. Instead of flying in a simple arc like the missiles you see in old newsreels, these new-age rockets bounce along the edge of the atmosphere. Think of it like skipping a stone across a pond, but way faster and a lot more dangerous. The real showstopper was the Palestine II missile. This thing's hypersonic, meaning at its fastest it can hit speeds up to Mach 16. That's nearly 12,000 miles per hour. Launched from Yemen, it can reach Israel in minutes, leaving defenders with almost zero reaction time. And here's the wild part, it doesn't just fly fast, it zigzags, mid-air, constantly shifting its path, making it almost impossible for Israeli radars to predict where it's going. Israel's famous defense network, Iron Dome, David's Sling and Arrow, are designed for threats that fly in predictable arcs. But hypersonic missiles like the Palestine II, they dance all over the sky. The secret sauce is a hypersonic glide vehicle inside the missile that detaches after launch, letting the payload weave and dip around any attempts to knock it out of the air. On top of that, these missiles can drop lower than usual, potentially slipping under radar coverage that's built to track high-flying threats. So even with a multi-layered shield, Israel struggled. Their Arrow missiles cost roughly $2.5 million each. David's Sling interceptors, about $1 million a pop, and Iron Dome rockets, anywhere from $20,000 to $100,000. In just one day, Israel spent around $1 billion fending off attacks, while Iran and the Houthis spent maybe a fifth of that to launch them. Talk about asymmetry. Here's why this matters. For the first time, non-state actors, rebels, not countries, are launching missiles with tech that used to be reserved for superpowers. That shifts the balance in a big way. And if $1 billion defense system can be flanked this easily, every military in the world is now on notice. So next time you hear about missile defense, remember, it's not just the price tag that counts, it's who's got the smarter tech and the guts to use it.